Hello everyone and welcome back to our journey of our CSS project. So we are going to continue our CSS project. So first of all, let me share my screen. Okay, so let's hit back. Start गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि रिक्याप गरौँ है हामीले के गरेको थियो. We have created one HTML structure web page. Now we are going to add styles into it. Okay, so हामीले एउटा style.css भनेर फाइल बनाएको थियो. सो हामीले के अहिलेसम्म पढ्यो, we are going to put this into our code. Okay, सो सबैभन्दा पहिला we need to target a nav bar है. हामी सबैभन्दा पहिला के छ यहाँ nav bar छ हैन. सो we are going to target our nav bar. सो nav bar लाई हामीले कुन क्लास के आइडी दिएको छौं है हेरौँ ल. यसलाई मैले अहिले यहाँ साइड राख्दिए. साइड भन्दा नि यसलाई मैले अहिले यता राख्दिन्छु ल. ओके, सो nav bar मा हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. सो nav bar हामीसँग क्लासमा nav bar छ. सो obviously we know dot nav bar हैन. So dot nav bar मा हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो, लिस्ट स्टाइल. सुरुमा हामीले लिस्ट स्टाइल दिनु पर्यो. So list style will be none है त. So after that we need to put a background. Okay, let's add a background. We already know that how to put a background. 3 4 for this 9 8 dB. Okay, this is blue color. I know that padding, so I need to add padding as well. Let me do this. I need to add padding. Padding is like 12 pixels. Okay, from top. Wait, let me snooze this one. I don't need this one. Okay, so padding also done. So after that, text align. I need a text align, so I'll put it into the center, this one, because navbar I need it in the center. Okay, so after that, margin, I don't need this margin space. Okay, so I will put it 0. After that, we will target what, we are going to target this navbar list. Okay, here we have navbar list also, right? We are going to target this one. So how we are going to put this is navbar अनि li. Okay, list and li भनेको के हाम्रो list. Okay, put a space here. After that, where is this? Okay, navbar list मा हामीले display लाई inline गर्दैछौँ. Inline block. Okay, after that we are going to put the margin from top to bottom is 0. So 15 pixel from left to right. 25 is to 15 pixel is from top to right. Sorry, from left to right. So after that, we are going to target the nav bar hyper reference link. Okay, so after that, I don't need text decoration, so I'm going to put it as non. So after that, I'll put a color of white, white. Okay, after that, what we have, font size. Okay, font size is our 18 pixel. And we have padding. So padding I will add as 8 pixel, sorry, 8 pixel and 12 pixel. Okay, so padding पनि भयो. transition हाम्रो we are going to put it at 0.3 second. Okay, so यो पनि हाम्रो भयो हैन. अनि त्यसपछि dot nav bar है त. dot nav bar is hyper. Now we will put hover effect, like mouse जाने बित्तिकै के हुन्छ, चेन्ज हुनु पर्यो something like. So we will put a background. We should change our background into which color means as 1D6 FA5. Okay, this is a dark blue color. Okay, so we are going to also put a border radius of 5 pixel. So 5 pixel also. Now nav bar completed. After that, what we need to do is we have a hero section, right? This is our hero section. So we are going to code for this. Okay, ल. So hero section मा के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दा dot hero लाई हाम्रो क्लास जसो dot hero. So we are going to put this as in a center. So text align in a center. After that, I will put a background. Our background is our light blue. Okay, so padding will be our 60 pixel and 20 pixel. Okay, so after that, we will target inside the hero tag what we have. We have a button, right? So we are going to target the button. So our class is .btn, right? So btn, and we have we will add padding of 12 pixel and 25 pixel each. Oh, sorry. Where did I mix? Okay, here only 25 pixel. Okay, padding also done. We will add background. Background will add as E74 C3C. Okay, this is orange. Okay, so again we are going to put a color of white, WHIT white. Okay, so border I don't need, so I'll put a border of none. Okay, after that I will put a border radius as well of 8 pixels, so slightly rounded shape. Okay, and I'll put a cursor and I'll add pointer. Okay, so I need a smooth transition, so I'll use transition 0.3 second. Okay, now what I will do is I will also add a hover effect into the button. So btn. Now what we will do is colon over. Okay, so like this we'll add hover effect into the button. So it will change the background. So background C0392B. Okay, so background also run transform. So we need a transform of scale or the 1.1. Okay, so after that button also our hero section also completed. Now we have what we have card section, right? So card section we have, contact section we have, right? So we will okay, we will continue our card section also. Okay, let's go. So we have a class called cards, right? We have two class. Wait, let me show you. We have a first class called cards, cards, and another card and another class called card only, right? So you can see also here. Let me zoom it out. Not like this. Okay, now you can see easily, right? Look, let me minimize this a little bit. Okay, look, we have a cards, okay, right? And we have a card also called, we have two classes, okay? Class inside class. So we are going to use that. So let's go cards. Okay, cards we are going to target for. So I'll put a display called flex. So display flex, so I can adjust anything. Justify content is in will be the center. So after that I need a gap. So gap is like what is it? Gap means gap 20 pixel. Okay, margin where I'm going to put as a 40 pixel all around. So after that I will target what, card. I will target card inside cards, inside card. Okay, so background will be white. Background background will be what, white. Okay, after that width. Okay, so width also 220 pixels. So after that padding, let's add padding of 20 pixel. And after that we need to add border radius of 20 pixels, right? After that I need to align the text, so I'll use text align. So text align will be at the center, so I'll put at the center. So after that I will add a box shadow for 0 0 15 pixels, so it looks like a 2D also at least. So I'll put a gray. You already know that, you have already learned about that. So I'll put a transition after that. Transition. Okay, transition of 0.3 second. Okay. So now I'm going to put a over. So over will be like card colon over. Okay, like this. Now what I will do is transform. I'll use transform. Okay, let's use transform. TRANS transform. How much is it? Scale of how much, 1.05. Okay, so if okay, I want what I want done is I want added that, what I forgot to link it, that's why it's not coming till now. So auto link CSS. Yes, if you aren't sure, you just press Ctrl and click here, it will directly open this. Look, we have created at least this much, right? Now we just need to make this contact form. Okay, so how we are gonna use it, right? So we will see in next video, right? Till then, bye. Till then, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. See you in next video.